Hi, hello all. In this video, we will be doing about APIs in Google Cloud. So here we have two checkpoints wherein you have to create a bucket in the cloud storage API and upload a file using cloud storage, upload a file into cloud storage API. So let's start the lab. Start the lab and go to the fourth page where then you have to set the region on the Cloud Shell. So copy that and run it in your Cloud Shell. Run the command in Cloud Shell. Go to the next page. Here we have, here there are few MCQs. So go back to your page. So these are the two. Yeah. So go back to the page and check your. Yeah. So here the first question is to uh, a, uh, a computing device that makes a request for some computing resource of data. This is the client. In a client server model, the client is the one who will makes a request and server is the one who will process the request. The HTTP method used for creating new resources is post. So submit them. Got the red check, green check. Then go back to that page. Now we have to use the API library. So you can go to navigation menu, API library and API services and library. And there you search for fitness API. So go to your navigation menu, API library, search your fitness API. Enable it. So you can cross check the status as enabled. Now go to the quotas and systems limit tab. Here you can search quotas and system limits under the product page. So open that. So here it will show what is your usage, what are the quotas and system limits. All these things will be displayed. So these are the queries this API allows per day in a minute. Okay, now let's test the understanding. So there are two more MCQs. So this offers quick access documentation and configuration, which is API library, and details of a project usage of a specific API, etc. are given in the API and services. Okay, next we'll move on to creating a creating JSON file in Cloud Console. So for that, we need to open the Google Cloud Storage JSON API in a new tab. So you will find it as enabled. It's already enabled. So we need to check the API is enabled or not. We found it. It is enabled. The API is enabled. Now we need to run the, we have to edit the file named as values.json. So we make use of the nano command in the shell. Run nano values JSON and copy the contents which is given here into that. Then press Ctrl S, Ctrl X to quit. Ctrl S and Ctrl X. Once you have exit, now we have created a JSON file that contains an object and it has 3 values: name, location, and storage class. These are the same values that are required when you make a bucket with GSUtil command line or in the console. Now you need to get the proper authentication and authorization policies. So for that, we'll be so we have to open the authentication tool in a new tab, and this you just scroll down and select Cloud Storage API version 1. So go here, scroll here. We have to search for Cloud Storage API version 1. Cloud Storage API, Cloud Storage. We have here Cloud Storage API version 1. Select that. Then in that we need to select APIs dev storage full control. So we need to select the full control option. Then click on the blue box that says authorize APIs. So click on the authorize APIs. This will open a sign in page. Click on the student name, click on the username, and then click allow when prompted for permission. Okay, so this is the page that will be opened now. Now you need to click on exchange authorization code. Click on exchange authorization code for tokens. So if you had it is told, if you move to step 3, click on step 2 panel. So go to step 2 panel and copy the access token. So now you need to copy this access token and put it in a notepad. So that is needed for the next step. So copy your access token. So this is your access token that you need to copy. Control A, Control C, and open a notepad and paste it there. Go to the next page. So now here we are creating a bucket with Cloud Storage API. So now you go to your Cloud Shell session and there you type ls. So here we are typing ls. So you get readme and these 2 files are received. These 2 files are present in that. Now we need to run the command to set your open authentication token as environment variable. So we need to replace your token with the access token that was just now generated. So copy this command, place it here, and this your token, this value, we have to replace it with the value which we have pasted in the notepad. So copy it, Control C and Control V, paste it, and press enter. So you have created an environment variable. Now we need to set your project ID as environment variable. So for that, copy it. Next we need to run the command to create a cloud storage bucket. Copy it. So what after running the curl command, you should get something like this. So it is starting with kind. Here we have kind. It is ending with location type. We have location type also set here. So now, since we didn't get any error, the work is properly done. Now we need to view our created bucket. So go to navigation menu, cloud storage and bucket. So go to minimize your this. Go to navigation menu, cloud storage, buckets. You get uh, you get the bucket created. Now next is to test the task. So you need to check your progress. So go back. We already got 50 points. So this work is successfully completed. Next, go to the next line, next page. Now we need to download this image. So download, right click, save image as. You can download it somewhere. So I'm placing it in download, and they have told to keep a name for it. So we need to keep the name. So copy this down demo underscore image. Copy it. Right click, save it. Right click that image, save image as. So first copy the name, and that name you paste it here. Already we have the PNG image selected. If it is not selected as PNG image, you click on drop down. You might find the PNG image there, and then click on it. So here it is already selected as PNG image. So save it. Now it is saved in your cloud session like the okay. Now in the cloud shell session, we need to upload this image. So open your shell. In the shell, we need to upload. So here we have the three dots. In the three dots, click on upload, choose files. I have saved my file in the downloads. So go to downloads, demo image, and click on upload. So it is saved in home student directory. So let's close it. And then we need to check whether to get to find the path of the image. So it's stored in home student directory. So copy this command and run it here. So there you will get the path here. So this is the path. Now this you copy and paste it in the notepad. You can take a different notepad or give some space and paste it there. So this is the path of our image saved. Now go back to the shell. Now we need to set the file path as an environment variable. So now we need to replace this value with the path which we had pasted now. So copy this. And this path we need to change. Okay. part we need to change. I'm not able to see my shell properly. That's why I'm doing it here. Copy this. Run it there. Next, copy the next command. Run it there. Next, copy the curl command. You should receive the same output, similar output. So you have kind here. Kind is there. And at the end, you have time storage class. Time storage class. So everything is available. Now to see the image, we need to go to cloud storage bucket. So you double click your bucket. In that, you will find the demo image. When you click on the demo image, you will find all the details of this image. Now, we need to check the completion. So go back to this page. Go to the fifth task and check whether it is completed or not. Check my progress. It's completed. Check the progress. It is completed. So we have completed third lab in infrastructure. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And let us end the lab.